we're gonna do an intro. I know y'all came here for this, so I'm gonna show you what's up. So first off, you're gonna wanna go on Google, Chrome, Safari, whatever you on, alright? Whatever you are on. And we're gonna get off of this, and we're gonna type in Panda. Anyway, you saw the Panda Helper, so you're gonna type in Panda Helper, .helper, you know. You're gonna go to Panda Helper and get free mod sheets and, you know, stuff like this, alright? Because we know y'all trying to make that music and professionally. And really good, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna let that load up, and when it load up, you're gonna get this screen. Make sure, hold up, make sure it's this link, alright? It's gonna work for iPhones too. It works for everyone. And then you're gonna press download. So I already have it downloaded, so I ain't gonna trip about that. It's gonna ask you for some like APK or something, and to enable something like with unknown sources, so you can download it like without any viruses or nothing like that. But anyway, after that, you're gonna want to come back to your home screen, however it looks. You know, mine's Android, so don't worry about that. And you're gonna press Panda Helper when it pop up on your screen. You're gonna it has ads too, but you can easily bypass this. I'll probably do that in a different video if you mess with this. But so this is gonna pop up. You can download Minecraft, any free game, like any game for free, basically. So even mods. So you're gonna go here, and since we're doing music, I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna do FL Studio, alright? I always get this question from my friends, how I get this. So FL Studio originally on the App Store and Google Play Store is $14, $15. We're gonna get it free with everything that comes with it. So you're gonna wanna press the one that's most recent, so March 16, 2020. And you're gonna download it. So I can't really go on it because I'm gonna go on it right now, but when I go on it, it's gonna stop my audio and y'all can't hear me because, you know, it's gonna transfer over to FL Studio audio. But yeah, it's gonna look like this. So when that's finished downloading, you're gonna wanna leave that. You're gonna go to FL Studio, and like I said, I'm not gonna press it because it's gonna make me stop talking, but I'll do a voiceover for you guys can see it, so you know I'm not trolling you, anything. And yeah, we're gonna switch over to that so I can give you all the best settings for the audio. So right now we're in the FL Studio, and I'm gonna go to the side real quick and show you guys the settings. So what you hear right now is the settings I use to make this audio, if that makes sense. So how you hear me now is the settings I'm showing you right now. You can use this for your music too, add reverb, different crazy stuff like that, you know. And before we even get into the real stuff, I want y'all to go to the settings and press enable audio latency composition, however you say that, and press calibrate. It's gonna tell you to unhook your headphones, so go do that, and it's gonna make it so that there's no delay when you're rapping. You know, it's gonna minimize the muchest delay as possible. I said that so wrong, but you know what I meant. So the first one I'm gonna show you is the FX EQ. You're gonna want to put this exactly how I have it. I'm leaving it right here for y'all for a second so you can see it. This is gonna give you that nice crisp, the baby type sound and rap. You know what I'm talking about. Next up, we're gonna have the FX compressor, my fault. And you're gonna put that at negative 20.0 dB, which keeps your voice very. It should be already on that. It's gonna keep your voice very, very sharp. Ratio is gonna keep it that crisp, nice, grindy sound, how I'm talking right now. Attack, you know, just copy all those settings. I'll leave that up for y'all a little bit. And I have the reverb off right now, actually, because you don't really need it unless you have. I recommend the reverb for like ad-libs. So like, you know how Travis Scott has straight up and it has like that echo after it. That's what you want to use that for. But you can use it for anything else, you know. Trans delay, almost the same thing. It's kind of like when you want to say something and you want the reverb to say the exact thing you just said, but lower, you know what I mean? So that would be perfect for you too. Then we have FX Stereoizer, I think that's how you say it. And this is going to give you that nice radio. If you wanted to do like a lo-fi song and you want to say like, make it sad or cool or, you know, depending what you want. If you do the stereo, the higher the stereo, the more it sounds like a radio, if that makes sense. And there's plenty of more options from where after you download this modded version, it'll give you so many options, and you could just basically, you can start here and you'll blow up from here until you get a computer. So after you're done recording all your audio, your singing, your rapping, your melodies, you can even make beats on here. If you guys want to do any type of song or, sorry, kind of went down, but if you want to do any type of song, anything crazy, this is the place to go. So when you're done, you want to go to all the way to the top where it looks like a little, I don't know what that is, umbrella, and go down to songs and press save. Then just check everything on except for split up mixing, because that's going to split it up so you can like come back later and fix it up. If you want to, you can check that, but you don't have to. But I recommend not to, because if you just wanted to export and hear the song, there you go. The other one's kind of just extra. But yeah, and after that, it's gonna bring you to your MP3 files. Go to your files if you know how to do that. And after you go to your files, you just listen to your song. If you mess with it, you mess with it. And there's other apps out there. You could type in like audio mixing app, and you could put your song into it, and it'll bass boost your beat so it sounds like your voice is in the song and it's not like you're rapping over it or singing over it. You get what I mean? So yeah. So if y'all mess with this, if this help you a lot, please go check me out. I mean, I'm doing this for y'all. So, but yeah, I respect y'all. Y'all have a great rest of your day and make that music, bro. I'm so hyped to hear what y'all got. Put in the link to the description, your SoundCloud and stuff. But yeah, I mess with y'all. If y'all ever need me back, put in the comments. So y'all have a great rest of your day. Take care.